Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Let's start this session by stretching our necks. I am starting this session by applying a cleansing oil called Insalderm. I have the link down below. Rub your hands together to warm them up and apply to your face to get ready. Using your knuckles to press right below the jaw area. Some people feel a bit of pain here when you do this, but don't worry. When the lymph flow well, the pain will gradually go away. You can also use oils such as rosehip oil or argan oil. Make sure your hands are gliding well against your skin. Using your index and the middle fingers, glide up your jawline towards the ear. Use 2 fingers and massage the ear area. This lymph node is called the preauricular lymph node that sits in front of our ears. These tiny nodes play a vital role in protecting the body against infections and disease. Rub the jawline towards the ear. This lifts the lower face as well as the lymphatic drain. Pinch the jawline to strengthen this area for elasticity of the skin. Lift the lower cheek towards your ears. Please support me by leaving a like and subscribing to my channel so that I can make more videos like this one. Stimulate your cheekbones by doing this to wake up the muscles in this area. Strengthen the jawline by resisting it from opening. Lift your jawline by gliding it with your knuckles. Press your chin and jaw by lifting and pressing by using the palm of your hands. Keep lifting your cheek by doing this. Just like our bodies, when we exercise our face muscles every day, you'll see a noticeable improvement. Use your knuckles to lift the chin and jaw as well as the under chin area. This helps with not just the health of your skin, but also preventing fat from getting stored here. I have that problem, so I love doing this movement. Massaging temples like this lifts the face. Drain down the fluid towards the clavicle bones. This helps restore a healthy immune system and eliminate toxins. Healthy body will make your face look younger. Please support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!